Unleashing the power of modals in First Conditional. Hello, English learners. Today, we're delving into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, the first conditional. But we're not just stopping there. We're going to look at it through a special lens by focusing on the use of modals in the first conditional. Before we talk about modals, let's make sure we understand what the first conditional is. It's used to talk about real or possible situations in the future. In essence, it's an if-then situation where the if clause uses the present simple tense, and the then clause uses the future simple tense. Example: if it rains, present simple, I will stay at home, future simple. Modals are auxiliary verbs that express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Examples of modals include can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must. They are incredibly flexible and can be used to add depth to your sentences. The magic happens when we combine modals with the first conditional. In the main clause of a first conditional sentence, instead of will, you can use can, may, might, should, must, and others to give your sentence different shades of meaning. For example, if it rains, I can stay at home. This sentence implies that you have the option to stay home if it rains. Or, if it rains, I must stay at home. This sentence suggests that you are obligated to stay home if it rains. Let's make this fun. Here are a few exercises you can do to practice using modals in the first conditional. 1. Fill in the blank. If I get a promotion, I, blank, buy a new car. 2. Rewrite the sentence using a different modal. If it snows, we will go skiing. 3. Create your own sentence using a modal in the first conditional. Don't be afraid to experiment with different modals and see how they change the meaning of your sentences. And there you have it. You've learned how to use modals in the first conditional, adding more versatility and precision to your English. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. So, keep practicing, keep exploring, and, above all, keep enjoying the process of learning English. Until next time, happy learning!